distilled from plants grown around the world. An extensive organic line made with a passion for the craft. Our essential oils at Mountain Rose Herbs are handled with care from the time the plants are grown to when you receive your bottle. The plants are harvested in regions with a long tradition of essential oil extraction. We work directly with knowledgeable distillers we trust. Their processes are informed by generations of family tradition and the latest technologies. We work with third-party laboratories and our own in-house quality control team to ensure only the best undiluted essential oils make it into your bottle. With more than 100 essential oils to choose from, you can find many of your favorites, distilled from fresh plants like lavender and clary sage, all of them hand-filled in small batches. We follow the American Herbal Products Association's nationally recognized code of ethics for labeling our essential oils, so you won't find unsubstantiated claims like therapeutic grade or recommendations to take essential oils internally on any of our labels. We ask our customers to educate themselves about the safe uses of these concentrated botanicals. We only give you the best quality we can. We pay close attention to the details, and we don't cut corners, providing you with the most fragrant, pure, essential oils on the market. For your diffuser, your facial serums, and your favorite do-it-yourself creations, our carefully crafted essential oils are provided to you with your health in mind, all while being good to the planet.